Kapamilya actress Ivana Alawi reiterated that she had no problem with actor-director Coco Martin and the people behind Batang Quiapo. Ivana was a great addition to the cast of the Kapamilya primetime drama series after Coco's character Tanggul's leading Lady Makang, played by actress Lovie Poe, exited from the series. Many fans were anticipating Ivana's stint, but eventually her character died. When she exited from the series, rumors surfaced that it was because of her alleged attitude problem. Ivana Alawi has previously addressed this issue. She debunked the allegation against her. Even Coco Martin defended her, saying that the actress is napakabait. Ivana stressed that she peacefully talked to management about exiting the show because of some commitments she needed to fulfill. Based on the article in Bandera, Ivana said in a recent interview that there was no issue with her decision to leave the series. Maayos sobra. The whole production, nag-text silang lahat, maayos, she shared. The actress also shared that the production people mentioned the rumors against her, saying that the fake news did not come from their camp. She is aware that at some point, this kind of issue in showbiz will arise, but she trusts that the people who know her will believe the real story. Sometimes, it really happens, especially when you're in showbiz. Ako naman, siguro yung nagmamahal sa akin, kilala nila ako, the actress said. Ivana Alawi also shared that she is currently focusing on her YouTube channel, and soon, she will appear in a series and make a movie. She is also the house guest in Bahay ni Kuya for the 20th anniversary celebration of Pinoy Big Brother Celebrity Collab Edition that features Kapamilya and Kapuso stars.